Welcome to the in front of me REALME C35, and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first you should go into the settings application, and after that click here on the network and settings. Here near the Wi-Fi, click once on the switcher to activate it, and here you will see now all the available networks, and now you can connect to one from these networks. For example, to this one, here you can enter your device password and to click here on this checkbox just to see the password here to have no some mistakes. Now I'll just enter the password out of screen. And after that, just click here to connect. Wait a second. And now as can you see, the password is saved here. And as can you see, our device successfully connected to this network now. By the same way, you can select the another network if you want, enter the password and click here to connect. And just to turn on the Wi-Fi, you should click here once on the switcher, and that's it. And also we got the second way how we can do that. Just to open the notification panel, click here once on the Wi-Fi switcher to activate the Wi-Fi, to launch the Wi-Fi settings, to select one from these networks, hold for a while the Wi-Fi icon by this way, and you will launch it. And then just to turn it off, you should click here once again on the Wi-Fi icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.